This is what the 3D file, the example file, looks like when we open it. Commonly what I do is to right click, Tools, Show Toolbar, and we get some 3D tools come up. If we right click again on our mouse, go Tools, Expand 3D Tools, we get some more appear. Now this tool here is usually the default. This is a rotate tool. So often you open a file and you can spin it any which way. This is good, helpful, but it can get a little bit difficult to rotate it, to look at it in a clear, understandable way. The spin command is similar, but it keeps the model upright at all times. Another common tip is to go into this menu and to choose solid outline, and here you'll see we get a black line around the edge of the parts. It can make it easy to visualize. Within that menu we also can do things like make the model transparent, which is useful to see details inside. This menu here has different lights. Most of the time the standard lights are probably the best and okay, but there's many different lights you can play with here. This button shows the menu, model tree, and this expands to show how the parts are in the model and all the sub-assemblies. You can click on a part here and it can highlight in the model view, or you can click here and it should highlight that part there. Also in this toolbar we have different views we can select: front, back, left, right, top, etc., which can be very useful for lining things up. And at any time we can choose this button to turn off perspective. So if we go to a front view, here we have perspective on, click that off and perspective turns off. So if you want to line up to see how things align to each other, say the right view, turning perspective off can help us see straight through. And we can make things transparent if that's what we want to do.